Hey there, this is Mindy Corey, your senior consultant with 31 Gifts, and today I am spotlighting one of my absolute favorite products for home organization, and that is the Your Way Cube. So as you can see, I have 4 Your Way cubes here, and this is one of those Expedit bookshelf things from IKEA. I know they sell them at like Target and Walmart and things like that too, but these are the larger 12 by 12 holes. So anyways, I have 4 children, and so I have 1 Your Way cube for each child. So as you can see, I had mine personalized with their name and their favorite color, so there's one for each of them. I have it right here by the front door when we come home from school. Elijah, for instance, can take his out, throw his school bag, his bag that has his snow pants, things like that in it, right inside his cube, and then just put it away. All of his school stuff is in one spot. So I have one for each of my kids. The younger 2 are not in school yet, but they're going to be. And I wanted a finished look, so I went ahead and I got one for each of them. As I mentioned, this one is personalized. You can also just utilize the chalk panel on the other side and write on here with chalk. Some of them have a clear PVC panel so you can see through it, or use a dry erase marker to write on the PVC panel so you can see it that way. So just a quick comparison for you. This is the Your Way Cube by 31, and this is one of the cubes that you would get at a normal box store. And I just wanted to show you how much smaller these are. If you can see that, these are more like 10 by 10. Doesn't really hold the weight as well either. These do have handles, and you can even get a $10 lid to put on top of them and then stack them up in your closet or up on the shelves in your basement or your closet or something like that. So that is one of my favorite products of all time, and that is the Your Way Cube.